With new coronavirus cases soaring in the U.S., especially in the country's south and west, states like Florida, which reported more than 18,000 new infections over the weekend alone, taking new steps, like closing some beaches to slow the spread of COVID-19 in the run-up to the July 4th American Independence Day holiday in hard-hit counties like Miami-Dade.
I'm encouraging everybody. You should stay at home, celebrate with your families.
Mayors from several cities announcing the closures heckled Sunday. Some beachgoers pushing back, yelling freedom, and this is America.
Whoa.
Florida and Texas already closing bars. California now doing the same in hotspots as the number of confirmed cases climbs. The total, well over 2.5 million nationwide, easily the worst known outbreak in the world. Now, some attribute the growing number of infections to increased testing, but that's not the case, according to a former CDC director.
I can tell you with 100% certainty that in most states where you're seeing an increase, it is a real increase. It is not more tests, it is more spread of the virus.
And now Florida's largest city, Jacksonville, announcing a new measure. At 5 p.m. today, the city of Jacksonville will be adopting a mandatory mask requirement for public and indoor locations and in other situations where individuals cannot socially distance. Donald Trump, who's refused to wear a mask in public, is set to formally accept his party's nomination in Jacksonville at the Republican National Convention in August. The U.S. Vice President over the weekend urging Americans to wear masks.
Wherever it's indicated, or wherever you're not able to practice the kind of social distancing that would prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
When asked about Trump's stance on masks Monday, the White House press secretary says the U.S. president believes they're a personal choice.
He encourages people to make whatever decision is best for their safety, but he did say to me he has no problem with masks and to do whatever your local jurisdiction requests of you.
And an update from a state that's doing well, New York, once the epicenter of the U.S. outbreak. That state's Democratic Governor Andrew Cuomo is calling on Trump to issue an executive order to make masks mandatory. And he says Trump should lead by example and wear one himself. For City News, I'm Melissa Duggan.